mine called me up and he told me there may be an opportunity to maybe weekend drive an LFA. So when I heard that they're going to take it to a track and be able to get a beat on an LFA, I was pretty excited. As hard as that thing or those things have been beaten on for close to 30,000 miles, going over 30,000 miles now, with only just standard maintenance, nothing's broken. There aren't many other cars you can see that about, because I know damn well, because I've seen it plenty of times in the stuff that I've done and other jobs, where when cars get out, they go out and people are saying, hey, go ahead, have your way with it. People have their way with it. You know, they get driven hard and they get put to bed wet. So that these things are still holding up the way that they are is pretty incredible.
What non-car people don't get. They see all cars as just 1.5 tons, 2 tons of wires, glass, metal and rubber. That's all they see. People like you or I know we have an unshakable belief that cars are living entities. Not Toyota Corolla, obviously, but you can develop a relationship with a car, and that's what non-car people just don't get.
Lexus LFA Successor, redefining the future of luxury performance. Lexus has long been synonymous with unparalleled luxury and exceptional craftsmanship. Now the automotive world eagerly awaits the successor to the iconic Lexus LFA, with whispers of its development echoing through the corridors of Lexus headquarters. The anticipation for this next generation masterpiece. The original Lexus LFA was a testament to the brand's commitment. Its stunning design, coupled with a heart-pounding V10 engine, captivated the enthusiasts and critics alike. Now the stage is set for the LFA Successor to take the world by storm, redefining the very essence of luxury performance. Rumors suggest that the new model will build upon the LFA's legacy, incorporating the latest advancements in technology, engineering, and design. Expect to see a bold, aggressive exterior that commands attention on the road, complemented by a cabin that exudes the finest materials and attention to detail that Lexus is renowned for. Under the hood, the LFA Successor is rumored to feature a cutting-edge powertrain that will push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's a high-revving hybrid system and a pure internal all-electric motor, one thing is certain, this vehicle will deliver a driving experience that will leave you breathless. As Lexus continues to push the envelope, the anticipation for the LFA Successor grows stronger with each passing day. This is more than just a car. It's a statement of intent, a declaration that Lexus is ready to reclaim its position as a true leader in the world of luxury performance. Get ready, because the future of automotive excellence is about to be redefined. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the wide body design I've created, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more updates on my next car design. You can also visit my website and support my channel by purchasing your very own t-shirt of my design. I hope to see you guys next time on my channel. Peace out.